my video, guys. Welcome back. How are you doing? I hope all is well. I'm here now. I'm going to cook some bungo soup with pigtail and green bungo. All right? And two dumplings and a piece of yam and a chocho and some chicken noodle soup. All right? That's what I have for my bungo soup today. All right? So I'm going to show you. I already put. That's my daughter over there. She's looking at her breakfast. I am cooking my food. All right? Over here now, I have some pigtail. Here you can see. I have some pigtail already scalded and boiled. So I'm going to put some my bungo in it and let it stay there and cook. So just follow the process as I go. And remember, guys, thank you for subscribing to my channel. And thank you for viewing my channel. Thank you for telling a friend. Tell more friends about my cooking. All right? And this is my gungo now. My green gungo. I'm going to wash and put it and let it stay there and cook. Okay? Guys, this is a gungo. This is a green, I call it green pigeon. This is my gungo. So I'm going to put it there. Okay. So I'm going to let it boil. Then I put my food in. So it will take a while to cook. All right, so I'm going to let it stay there and cook. Where's my pot cover? It's okay. And guys, you put whatever you want to put in your soup. I don't have any potato or anything, so I'm going to use all these for my substitute. So you put whatever you want to put in it, okay? No yellow yam, no potato. So I'm going to put these in it. Same soup, all right? Put a chocho in it also. Chocho is very good for your blood pressure. And I have blood pressure, so I have to cook all of these and eat them. Okay? Use less salt, no margarine. All right? And I hope you're doing the same thing. I'm not going to cut it small. I'm just going to put it like this. This is very good. They say you take out the salt out of your body. I don't know how true it is, but I know it's good for the pressure. So I eat a lot of this. Sometimes I just cook it for my breakfast. Okay. And also I'm going to put banana in it also. My flour. Hands all washed already, clean. So I'm going to make my flour now. Okay. And it's brown flour. Brown flour. Okay. You can see the color? It's brown. Yes, guys, welcome back. That's my pot. It's my water boiled up. It's my food. Okay, guys. And my gungo and my meat already cooked, but I'm not going to put it in until after I put all my food because the piece cook almost overcooked and my meat is cooked. Okay, you can see it. So I'm going to put in my dumpling now. Okay, stay there, boy. I'm not sure if I'm going to put a lot of banana, but I'm just going to cook whatever I have. So I have a piece of yam. Okay. Welcome back, guys. I have 2 fingers of banana here, and I'm going to peel them. Bananas. I have to use like gloves, guys, as I cut the banana. When I peel the banana, they're spoiling up my nails. It's spoiling up my fingernail, guys. I'm going to use the gloves, okay? When I have on the gloves, it doesn't peel it so nicely, but it's up to go. You can see. Sometimes after I peel it, then my nails are so black. Doesn't matter what I use on my hands. So I say, okay, I'm going to use a knife. Now peel it so pretty and so nice, but it can go. It's just, okay. So if your fingernails are getting black, you can use a gloves. I'm gonna get a smaller gloves. Even washing the dishes too, guys, I use a gloves because all my nails them they're just having a splitting ends. So I'm just going to start using gloves regularly. Okay, you see. So these are my bananas. Okay, guys, you can see that's my go-go pot. Dumpling, guys, and I put 2 corn in it. You can see. All right. I'm going to peel a piece of yam now. These are the yams, guys. I cut them very big because I don't want them to break apart or break up. Yes. Let's see, that's my gongo pot. Okay. So I'm going to put in a pigtail now. It's already cooked and everything. So I'm going to put it in now. Okay. You see? These are the pigtail already being cooked, but I don't want them to mash out like that. So I just put it in now. And over here now I have the peas. So I'm going to put in the peas a little bit later. Peas is well cooked, so I'm going to put it in later. Okay, guys? All right. You can see the pot, guys. I have to take out some of the water. Okay, so I'm going to put in a chicken noodle in it. Okay. Not too salt. I have to watch my pressure. Okay, you can see. I may put another one of it in here, but just the one will do for now. Okay. And I'm not going to use any too much seasoning on it either. This is my thyme and cloves. I boil and put instead of putting the stick on the leaves and whatever. This is what I do. So I'm going to let it stay there and cook. I just put in everything. You can see it's my gungu, and I also put corn in it. Okay. I'm gonna put in my scallion. And I have my pepper, but I don't want to put the pepper in so early because it will burst. Okay, so I'm gonna put it aside until later. You can see. And guys, you put whatever you want to put in your pot. Okay. You can stay there and boil for the next half an hour. Okay, so watch the process. Do you want some? Tell me where you're watching from. Where you watching me cooking my gungo soup? What country are you? And for those who wish me happy birthday, I did not come out and say before it was my birthday. It was the day I just said, let me let you guys know it was my birthday. Some people are upset because I didn't let them know, but that's okay. That's quite in order. Okay. I'm not the one who do big celebration or so. As long as I'm born, I just give God thanks. All right. And for those who have birthday, happy birthday to you guys. Those that is coming up, happy birthday. Those that have gone already, happy belated birthday to you. Okay. Thanks again for wishing me the best of in my life. All right. And guys, remember to tell a friend to tell another friend. Tell them to subscribe to my channel. All right. Please, I'm asking you, subscribe to my channel, share, make a comment, tell me what kind of soup are you cooking. Most of you know on Saturdays, today is Saturday the 1st of March. Most of you know it's soup day. All right. Do we still have that tradition going on, Saturday soup day? Huh? Just let me know if we still have that tradition going on. All right. Because we're in these countries and it is very, very cold, we try to keep our stomach warm. When you drink the soup, it is so warm. All right, so you can see. All right, so just watch the process as I go, guys. Thanks again for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for loving up my video them. All right, blessing every time. So my viewers and my subscribers, please make a comment on my soup. All right. Please make and let me know what do you put in your soup. And my soup is pigtail with gungo, so it's green gungo. Okay, guys, you can see. Yeah, and I put two or three corns in it. All right. So this is my, and I put a piece of squash in it also, or pumpkin, or we call it squash. So this is what I have. I don't have sweet potato and I don't have yellow yam, so I just use what I have. So this is my finished product, guys. Okay, you can see it's my finish, and you can make your soup thicker than this. Okay, so this is all for my gungo soup. All right, and I just use what I have. And again, I say thank you for subscribing to my channel. Tell a friend to tell another friend about Henry's Family TV. All about cooking adventures and different stuff over here. All right, so thanks again for viewing. Thank you for those who subscribe. Tell another friend to tell another friend to subscribe to my channel, man. Pick up on yourself. Put God in front of everything. God is our only source of survival. So in these days, trying days, we have to put God first. Bless up yourself. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. You take care. And all of those who want some soup, you can just come right over. Okay? Just come over for some of my kungu soup. All right? Blessing every time. Love you guys. Bye-bye. And you take care of yourself.